At first, it was just a twinge, a slight discomfort in the knee while climbing stairs, then a sharp pain in the lower back after a short walk. And then one day, while simply reaching for a mug on the top shelf, something cracked. It wasn't just the sound of bone, it was the sound of realization that after all these years of strength and resilience, the foundation of your body might be crumbling. But here's the truth. Getting older doesn't have to mean getting weaker. It's not too late. Your bones are alive, responsive, and capable of becoming stronger, even after 60. And today, we'll uncover how. Because strengthening your bones isn't just about preventing fractures, it's about preserving freedom. The freedom to walk without fear, to garden, play with grandchildren, travel, dance, and simply live without limits. So let's talk, not just with science, but with soul. Because this is personal. This is your story, and it's not over. First, let's understand something many people don't know. Bones aren't dead structures. They're living tissue. They break down and rebuild every single day. But after 60, the rebuilding slows down, unless we actively support it. Take Sarah, 67. She thought brittle bones were inevitable. Her mother had them, her grandmother too. So when her doctor told her she had early signs of osteoporosis, she didn't panic. She changed. And in 9 months, her bone density improved. Not because of luck, but because of daily commitment. So what did she do? And what can you do? Let's begin with movement. Yes, movement, not rest, is what strengthens bones, specifically weight-bearing exercises, walking, climbing stairs, dancing, gentle resistance training. You don't have to lift heavy dumbbells. Even lifting your own body weight through slow squats, wall push-ups, or yoga stimulates bone growth. James, 72, began walking just 20 minutes a day with a weighted backpack. Nothing heavy, just a few books. In 1 year, he reversed years of decline. Not just physically, but mentally too. Because when your body feels stronger, so does your spirit. But exercise is only half the story. The other half? Nutrition. Your bones crave calcium, and not just from dairy, leafy greens like spinach and kale, almonds, tofu, sesame seeds. Even canned sardines with bones. Yes, bones. But here's the secret. Without vitamin D, all that calcium won't absorb. Vitamin D is like the key that unlocks calcium's power. Get it from sunlight or supplements, especially if you live in colder climates. Then there's magnesium, vitamin K2, and omega-3 fatty acids, all crucial for bone strength. Margaret, 70, began adding a handful of walnuts to her breakfast and dark leafy greens to dinner. She called it her bone bowl. Simple changes, powerful results. But there's something else, something often forgotten. Your posture. Yes, posture can weaken or protect your bones. Hunched backs, rounded shoulders, they add pressure on the spine and increase risk of fractures. Practicing proper posture, doing gentle stretching, and staying mobile can make a massive difference. Even standing tall for just 5 minutes a day against a wall, aligning your spine, can rebuild core muscles that protect your bones from within. And then comes the part nobody talks about: rest, recovery, sleep. You don't build strong bones in the gym or at the dinner table alone. You build them while you sleep. That's when your body repairs, replenishes, rebuilds. So prioritize 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. Make your bedroom a sanctuary. No screens, no stress, just peace. Now here's a deeper truth. Sometimes what weakens your bones isn't just physical, it's emotional stress. Long-term worry increases cortisol levels, a hormone that silently eats away at bone density. So don't just strengthen your body, strengthen your peace. Practice stillness, deep breathing, laughter, connection. Because joy isn't just a feeling, it's medicine. You see, your bones have held you through every fall and every victory, through births, funerals, heartbreaks, and milestones. They have carried your life. Isn't it time you carried them back? Every glass of milk, every mindful walk, every moment of sunlight, every good night's sleep. They are all small bricks in rebuilding the temple that is you. Don't believe the lie that aging means giving up. Believe the truth that with care, love, and effort, you can become stronger, not just in spirit, but in structure. So start today, one step, one stretch, one serving, because the strength of your bones is the strength of your life. And you, my friend, are still so full of life. If this message moved you, if it gave you hope or reminded you of someone you love, please like, share, and subscribe to Evergreen Wisdom, for more stories that nourish your soul and strengthen your heart. Your journey matters, and we're walking it with you. One step, one bone, one breath at a time.